doesn't even make sense why I think about you.
Hi guys, for this BTS video I decided to shoot with my Canon R6 and a 50mm 1.8 RF lens. I wanted to try this lens on a location shoot in the park. This is not technical review of the lens, just my impressions of it. We started shooting in direct sunlight. It probably wasn't the best idea because I had to be aware of my shadow all the time. But I really want to see the colors of the skin in direct sunlight. We also tried the eye detection and subject tracking of the camera with a walking shot. I was impressed. Almost all the shots were focused on the model's eyes. Compared to my old Canon 5D Mark III, it's a whole new world of possibilities. The next test was with my favorite backlight. We found a spot with a lot of leaves and branches and it was perfect to try to do more interesting composition. I posed the model between the branches and blurred the background and the foreground to give the image more depth. The backlight was perfect and helped me take these beautiful images. They turned out to be my favorite from this shoot.
We will both be lying. I wish I didn't want you. I was doing just fine the way that it was, then you had me.
We changed our location one more time to this tall grass. We only had ambient light, which was very soft. The model was close to the grass. I shot from a different distance to show what a delicious bouquet this budget lens creates. That's it for this photo shoot, guys. Like and subscribe. Bye!